How to fix Messenger waiting for network. So if you're facing a problem with Messenger which says waiting for network, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. And once you open your Messenger, now here you can see that on the upper side of your screen you will have no internet connection. So it says that no internet connection, or it might say that waiting for network. So what that means is you don't have an internet connection. So you need to simply turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. Here you need to turn on any one of that. And once you've connected to your Wi-Fi, it won't show you that. So that's how you fix your Messenger waiting for network. So it simply means that you don't have an internet connection, or if you simply deliver a message, it might say that. So you need to simply turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, any internet connection, and once you turn on your internet connection, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.